What's up guys, Jerick Video Gaming here, and I will be showcasing the new Minecraft 0.16 updates. So yeah, let's do this. I'm just gonna go in first person. There. This is the new update. Sorry for not uploading a lot guys, because I'm getting busy or school, something like that. So yeah, thanks for understanding. Here's the new that these the new things in my inventory. We have the Ender Dragon head. When you slay an Ender Dragon, you can get his egg and his head. I don't know where did I place the egg one. Wait a minute. Let's find it. There. Here's the egg. When you kill it, you get the egg and this head. When you put a redstone block, it's gonna open his mouth and close. Next one is the ender chest. And see, when you put something, the ender will get it. When you take this one, the ender will disappear. It's really easy to craft. See, ultimate strength. Wait a minute. What do you do? See, and you just need obsidian and ender eye. Oh yeah, and the ender pearl and ender eye is in the game now. Just okay. The eye of ender don't work on the flat ground, but the eye of ender can do many things. Look, it's gonna work. It's work. Gonna work. Go. Told you. And if you want to break the ender egg, you're just gonna go break something and break that. See. The next one is the crystal. Wait, and crystal. That the ender dragon makes his healing powers. So when you hit it, it's gonna explode like this thing. Example it here. Wait. There. So I'm gonna get a bow. Where's the bow? There. So you hit it, it's gonna explode. And the next one is the ender rod. It's just making light and everything and design. Next one is the what is this? Wait, I forget what's this. Dragon Blades. I don't know what it's do. So yeah, this kind of potion, but I don't know what it's do. So yeah, if you know it, leave a comment. So let this. Oh, wrong button. And this the Sulker. This mob make you fly. So let's demonstrate. I'm gonna be in survival. See, it's gonna hit me with this some kind of flying thing. Till it hits me, I'm gonna fly. See. Oh, what and one. See, look, it's gonna hit me, and I'm gonna fly. Let's go in. Let's go. See? Okay. Ouch. I'm going up. Right there. Where's the other one? Hey, come back. Okay. Good thing with the elite. So the next one is the elytras. What I'm wearing. Ouch. Okay, dude. Please stop. Ouch. Stop. Please. Ouch. Stop, please. Can I deflect this? Oh yeah, I can deflect. Almost there. And, oh yeah, forgot. So this is the elite rat. So we got this rod. I think I'm gonna die if I. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, that can do. Does it do? Okay, that's it. Let's do this. Little rings. I go do this in third person. Wait. Where's third person view? Yeah. Gonna die. Woo! Can play with the little rings. Ouch. See that? Look. I can do it anymore. So let's go back in the survival things. Let's do this. That's it. I'm gonna. Oh. 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 Lag. Phone's lag. Sorry, guys. So let's go back in creative mode. There we go. Let's go back in the normal person. First. Okay. And there's a new update. We're going to the end. If you don't know, there's how to build an end portal. That will be in the next video. So yeah. Okay. So let's go in the end. Why did I go to the end? I just forgot why. I remember. I hit in the end. So okay, let's break it. Does the gravel? Oh, the gravel don't fall. There's a lot of ender. But I don't know where can I get the elytrum and go in there. So I don't know where to go. This ender dragon. Okay, there's ender crystals. I cannot speak properly because my nose is really itchy. What the? Wait, the other. Sorry, guys. It's really. I'm sneezing. Okay. Let's see if I got still the arrow skills. I don't have the arrow skills anymore. Oh, I don't really have. Well, let's do this. Alright, let's measure up. Oh, boom. Oh, lag. That's it. Let's break it. So I'm gonna cut this video till I destroy all the enemies. So guys, I'm back trying to kill the enderman. So dragon. There we go. Just waiting for him. But I don't know where the was going. Out. It's weird. So let's get this. I'm gonna get some experience. There we go. Really juicy experience. Experience. So here's the ender egg. Just gonna break that. How do I get the ender head. Okay, I really don't know how to get the ender dragon's egg. So, and I don't know how to get the elytra. So you can search the other videos, not this one, because I don't know how. So yeah, wait. I think I see it. Whoa. How did he... Oh yeah, now I saw the portal where you can go to the other dimension. So let's, I think, okay, let's go. Oh, what's a lag? Lagging. Oh, I'm here? Yeah, I'm here. Okay, here's the thing. Oh, lag. What the heck? Why are those? What are these? Is this thing in the inventory? Oh, it's this one. I think this is the one. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this the one. So what does this can do? What does this thing can do? Let's see. Okay, nothing. So I'm gonna cut it until I find the house. I think I can't find it. What the heck? Where's does the house go? Perfect circle. Oh, there's the boat. The heck? Oh, black screen. Oh, let's go down. That's the part when you want to go back. So let's just go. Oh, lag. Let's just go adventuring. Here's the literal thing. So let's get it. Kill this thing. Get it first. Okay. We drop this thing. It's called for sale. And get this. Oh, on breaking. That's kind of good. And lots of gold. So we're gonna live there. I'm gonna let that live there. Another one. Oh, the brain of what? Arthropods in knockback. The other one was fantasy and 7 diamonds. Oh. Oh, but if this video get 5 likes, I will make a video titled Till the End. Okay, till the end. Like the episode till the end. So this video just get 5 likes. I'll make a video called Till the End. But wow, the Minecraft. Wow, just wow. The Minecraft builder just some skills or something. Really good. Wow, it's really good weather. It's really really effective work on Minecraft. Oh, I just believed they do this. I think they get some programs on the Minecraft PC to the PC. That's how they get some updates for the Minecraft Pocket Edition. No. But wow. This is good. Oh. You're done. Oh, seriously. There's no words. there's really no words. Really good. Making some names, no Jack. Just clap for you. Really good. There is it. So let's go back to the dimension of realness. Huh? Oh, fuck. I thought got so really scared. Where's the portal? There we go. See? Now the cat. You can skip it right here in the bottom left. I mean right. Or watch the Minecraft goodbye scene. So I'm gonna skip it. So guys, thank you for watching and hope you got a good new year. It's 2017 now. Happy New Year. So yeah, thank you for watching the new Minecraft 0.16 update. So yeah.